Good morning, team. Good morning, everybody. This is Jay. Let's try the audio, the mic. Everybody can hear me good? All right, so thank you for being here. Another lesson with Bookmap. Market is strong. First of all, let's review 1 second why we're doing these webinars. This is something that Bookmap promotes since years. We believe in educating traders, so teaching them the process rather than showing P&L, calling alerts. Now, read always the watch list. These lessons are for educational purpose only and not to be treated like investment advice. This morning, I'm looking over here at certain stocks, Forex and futures. We have different traders in the room, so that's the reason why I'm covering different aspects. So first of all, what I'm looking is this morning, NKTR. We have, let me zoom in. We have a stock that ran yesterday. We can see the morning dip over here into the 17-ish, 18. A couple of play along with the JLines to the upside. So this morning, we are buying a breakout. I would wait because often these breakout can result in fake breakouts. And I would be looking simply for a break instead of 28, wait that consolidates, pull back, and then we're going to take a long. This is going to be one of the major plays this morning. I like these day two plays. NQ has been strong. So we had this morning breakout. Before I was explaining to certain traders, and by the way, traders, ECX is coming up. So follow ECX because we can have a long play. This morning has been pretty exciting. I've been having some traders over here today. And we had some good pre-market. This is what some of the traders have been doing today. And all these trades over here were alerted live, not before and not after, but when we were taking the trade based on a systematic process and automated trading. So all of this came using order flow in our trading system that is based on algos. Okay, so everything that we trade is not anymore discretionary, but comes from alerts that when you join Jtraderco, so our trading room, can receive and follow as well. Also, we have a free Telegram room where every single day we give out watch lists. But if you want to trade with us, if you want to become a day trader, if you want to do mentoring, if you want to come to the Trading Academy literally and trade next to me, as example, this week I had several traders here last week as well. The week before I was in the Holidays Mountains, that was a little bit better. Then don't just simply write to team@jtrader.co. Okay, let's go over here. So I was talking to a trader this morning and I was telling him, the levels that you have to trade are basically when we have these breakouts and then you wait for the pullbacks like you can see over here. Okay, so don't trade before that you see that pullback, because often what, for example, in future we have, and we've seen so many times, right, are fake breakouts and then unwind. This morning, we broke over here this level. So this red level that you can see is a previous day high. We have basically dip into it, inside bar, and then push the upside over here. Okay, so this is a total bullish play, this pre-market. I will be watching for move to the upside. Okay, so if we have a move to upside, I'm gonna take more long into this. I have a future trade over here, and we'll be watching for plays to trade together. AMD is another one, so one of the first large caps that we're watching. I like the play on AMD, and let me share over here the screen. So this is AMD on a 4-hour chart. We can see over here that it broke this level at 133. So strong move. This is from the 24th of June. Okay. So you can see that it came basically in the last 2 days, a strong move breakout. So it's going vertical. I'm looking for a potential 150 target. So I'll be watching for more long plays. So set up to trade on the over. I also put this over here, AMD on Bookmap, JLine curl. So everything that the bot will give me, I will alert. And let's see if we can trade it together, guys. Okay. Then we have this morning FUTU, gap up play. Pretty interesting. I like over here this morning tight consolidation. So I'm looking for a break of 126 over here. I believe I have to make these a little bit bigger so everybody can see. We're going to bring the text to, yeah, this, there we go. So I'm looking for a break of 25-ish, pull back, and then taking the long play over there, right? So don't be early in taking FUTU. Wait till we break clear, pull back, and we take a long. QS, my favorite stock of the day. My favorite stock of the day is a quantum stock. We have news on this, more than 1 billion company. I like the way this moved, up 50% more or less on the day. You can see this, actually, sorry, from 2 days ago. This was at $4.30, now around $6.30. It's looking like curling. If we have a break over here, we'll be watching for a buy at the gate. I'll be looking for a strong long and looking even to 7, 8 to sell into that extension. Okay. I like over here everything that concerns QS. I read about the story. Could be interesting. So if we have a strong move, guys, let's look to play along over here. Another way I've always to prepare you to look in case if we have a fake breakout for a reversal play, okay? Because you can always expect the market to go in one way, but if we have a liquidity play, something that we cannot, I would say, forecast right now. In that case, we're gonna wait for this to give the fill, right? But that is gonna be a good one. We have coin, Tesla, SONM, but I also need to put over here something else right now because we have GCTK, which is pushing up. I like the stock. It's been giving over here some good long play. GCTK, let's put over here as well. Anybody looking into this, guys? Is the second major gap of the day, 85% gap. We have a very small float. We're talking about the nano float. We have over here an history of spiking about 40%. So this is a stock that we know can extend at the gate. I had a long setup from the bot at $9. It was connecting over here with YouTube and Discord, and I couldn't take it. I saw somebody over here took the long exactly on this bull flag. That's an amazing over here pennant. You know, you can recognize very clearly this break, the volume increase. This is a strong play into the $9 breakout and could extend. I wouldn't be looking, if it was you, to short this. Let's wait that we can run more. I will be looking for ideally dips to long this morning on this. And yeah, the $10 was a very solid breakout. $13.50. I want to put over here GCTK as well. But we're going to monitor more than one stock. We're going to monitor futures NQ, small cap ZTK and SONM, large cap QS, coin, Tesla, FUTU, AMD. On other screens, I have over here also NVIDIA. I'm having also some daily breakouts, NKTR, as we said before, EYN. I have over here in this LMFA, Sky, Rally, HIT, ARUSD, which is fading. Okay. Paul is coming out with the news over here. Tesla new car sales in Europe dropped 27% in May from a year earlier. Even a battery electrical vehicle sales in the region jump, even as the battery, even if Tesla in the region jumped 27%. Okay, thank you, buddy. So Tesla, which now is pulling back, 344-ish, high of the pre-market now 343. If we curl above 343, break of that flag, we can have a long play, okay? So until the market will show us, I'm gonna stay bullish. I put over here this. We have also Tesla over here on Bookmap. So I'm gonna put this for everybody. Okay, we're gonna start in about 15 minutes. I'm drinking some coffee in the meantime, relaxing. It's been already, we were over here at 9 o'clock. Now it's my 3 p.m. We're already here 6 hours, okay? 6 hours. Yeah. Oclo also looks interesting. Yep, buddy. So thank you. I'm going to put also Oclo as well. Yeah, we have Oclo, AMD, Coin, Amazon, NVIDIA, Tesla. A lot of good long plays. Oclo, I have to be honest with you. I had a good play at 750 pre-market, A+, but I missed it. Don't short that. Don't short GCTK. Don't short it. Nano float pushing up strong. Don't short this, please. Okay. Don't short this. Exactly, guys. Try to, yeah, exactly. Try to wait always for breakout, then pull back before longing. Don't push it before. Thank you. Watching NQ as well. Watching yes. Like to see a pullback. So waiting the gate. Yeah. This is where the bot gave us the long this morning. That is the play. Okay. Automated. Let's see also Mule over here pushing back up. Mule's a stock we traded a lot of these weeks. Let's see if for a potential Mule trade. So we're ready for the gate. I'm not gonna trade yet Moon, only if we have a dip into the VWAP and curl, or bot gives me the long, I will take it. The first long they gave was 115-ish. Actually 115 was too fast for me to grab it. So now I have to wait. $12 minutes to go. Oko looks strong. Let's see the gate. Exactly. So every single morning, what I do is I create a watch list, and I'm looking at major gappers, but not only. I have different scanners. One of the scanners that I look at is called Momo scanner. So I look for the increase of volume in a time of 5 minutes. So the last 5 minutes, I want to see an increase of volume and increase of percentage of move. In this case, that's how I saw GCTK this morning. That's how I saw SONM. Right now I'm looking over here also at Mule. We have also a stock that is coming up, is called Indie. Let's look right now, guys, at Mule. 1 second. I think Mule will be just a fade over here. I don't see any kind of high volume at the moment. So for me, this is a short at 122, 123. And we should see this fading all the way down. Unless, you know, any kind of volume comes, then it will be interesting to take some long plays. But for now, we have to avoid long plays. NQ, I want to see the dip at the gate into the support. So 22,490. AMD, I would like an under over of 140.40. FUTU, again, to this blue band. SONM, we'll see if we can break 170 for a long. Tesla 343.50 for a long. Coin, I need to see over here a dip, 358, 359, a long play. Be always careful if it pushes right away fast, because it can get exhausted and, you know, can unwind. QS, as we said, quantum, so 611 for a long play and over. Seven minutes to the gate. So right now, guys, GCTK is exhausted. Possible fail from 1350. For me, this is not a short, as I said, but just watch it over here. We could have a fail until over here, the 12-ish, okay? So GCTK, if it loses 13 and 40, TP is going to be 12-ish. But again, we don't want to trade it before the open. I prefer to stay long on this, buying the dips. We had several long plays. The main one was into the $9. Still 5 minutes ago. Start preparing on yes, NQ. Oklo, Amazon, NVIDIA, Coin, Tesla, NKTR, AMD, FUTU. Even FUTU is pushing here. The volume on GCTK is massive. Still holding that 1450, which is your guide. I think we're going to have some profit taking on GCTK. Meanwhile, Mullen going to 110. Remember what we said, we don't see volume. It's true, or the flow was simply dead. Putting over here Bookmap right now on Tesla. Yeah, some profit taking coming over here if we break 1340 on GCTK. And Q guys, fast dip into the JLines and push. Four minutes ago. So look at the biggest gappers in the large cap land. We have a continuation on BBAI. Price is 585. We had a long yesterday into the 430s. Remember what we're saying. Breaks the 430. We're going to have a push long. Bot came. This was in our watch list. So let's see if now we can continue on that. Yeah, GCTK, we're waiting. The only ideal level that I would love to see it is JLines, okay? Bot gave me the long and nothing else for now. For that SONM, having it ready in case for a long play. So looking for a reclaim of 170 to long it. Two minutes ago. If you have a question, reach out after in email, or simply can write me in direct messages on Discord, JTrader, and put a like if you want into the streaming on YouTube. Thank you. All right, so we see that lower high over here on on AMD. In order to take the long, okay, I need to see the break with this 141 with strength, with volume, order flow pushing. Tesla cannot break. Actually, you can see it's fading. Sellers. I'm only interested in long in Tesla if we have a breakout of 344, 343.50. Seconds to go. It's going to be an interesting open. A lot of plays. If you're a newbie, wait for the first 10-15 minutes before trading. Let the market show you the play. Okay, open. Fill on AMD. And Q long play. 22,505. For now, only that. Start watching at PONY. Long play coming. QS is down. NQ good. Tesla down over here. Rejection. You can see on the order flow all these sellers over here. Now we have a major support 340 broke down. So now stop break even 505 on ES, sorry, on NQ. Put stop 22,505. Coin over here. Setting up for a long gap up breakout. Start watching coin team. Coin over here giving the long at 364. With the bot. 1 minute. 5 minutes. The risk is going to be 362. Target 370, then 375. Let's put also Bookmap up. This is a good on the overplay. I'm going to put this, and you can see NQ came all the way up and then all the way down. Coin is the one that's pushing. This is the long play with a confirmation over here, 364. Bookmap, you can see the fill, the open. Right away, push back up. So now we are raising our stop to 364, this level. All right, so we bring the stop for 362, move stop to 364. Right now it's 366. So we'll see if this is gonna hold or pulling back like everything has been doing. Trying to hold 365-ish. Held down over here on GCTK, 1339. I want to show you major selling pressure. So once we broke this 14.8-ish, boom, drop. Tesla all the way down. We have a support 338. Don't buy simply because they have a support. You have to look for higher lows. AMD trying to push back up. So AMD over here looking for a long play. NQ trying again. Amazon nothing yet. NVIDIA trying for another long play. AMD confirmed the long. Risk is going to be 140.90. So coin, we got a 368 is the first EP. You can see this line over here. This dotted line is the first EP. 368 coin. And Q is pushing, so this is going to bring up the market. So we have a long over here on NVIDIA, 149 and 90. Start watching a SONM for potential long. Risk on NVIDIA is 149 and 70. TP first is 152. Coin, we had the first target, 368. That's still down, let it go. Watching this AMD, you can see it's making higher lows and higher highs. Want to see the break of 141 and 50. NVIDIA playing 150.66. Now on NVIDIA, we're risking 150. So risk on NVIDIA moving to 150. Coin over here failed, so out, the rest in the money. NVIDIA pushing, NQ pushing, AMD pushing. So now set your risk break even on everything. Let's look at NKTR. Thank you, buddy. So for now, you can see we don't have a play on QS. That was one of the main plays of the morning. We're going to leave that alone. We're looking over here, which is going good. NQ, AMZN. We have NVIDIA. So those are two good plays, three good plays. And now we have also NKTR. FUTU. Let's watch FUTU. Nothing for now. Also remember we have to break that hourly 216. Coin, start watching for another long above 366 with a JLine curl. NVIDIA going to 155 is the target. Remember we covered that in pre-market with the daily level. For hours and daily, you can see very good. Tesla is bouncing back up. NQ still strong. AMD still strong. Nothing on FUTU. Fakeout. NKTR strong. Put in NVIDIA. So we stay with the 155 calls options. QS guys, start watching again, please. Long coming on QS. QS on watch for long. Your system over here gave long at 608. You will see it soon. I received an alert as well. Soon you will have access also to the private VIP room where you see by yourself the alerts on all of these stickers instantly. So QS long confirmed. The risk is 590. TP is 660. Then 7 on QS. We need to see this bar over here pushing still. Let's see if it's going to have some volume. So come on, QS. Don't risk more than a break-even AMD. And Q, if you're on the JLines, try to hold as much as you can. Open on GCTK. NKTR still moving up. NVIDIA still moving up. So NVIDIA, sell 1/3 at 151.30. NKTR, sell 1/3, 29.20. QS, risk now at 6. Nice juicy paycheck for my team. Love to see this. Start watching team for SONM if we have a curl. It's going to be a long play. And some is that is fading the VWAP. So nothing. NVIDIA highs, NKTR highs. Yes, over here, I's and Q highs. Tesla new lows. AMD guys back to the 1 minute JLines at 140.60. So if we dip over here, we see some liquidity. We're gonna enter back up long. Don't touch long yet on GCTK. NVIDIA hold 155 TP. NKTR hold 32 TP. SONM wait. QS hold risk 6. Apple wait. MD start watching for bookmap level 140.50 and long again. Okay. The fact is that ES and NQ are still pushing. I like them. Yes, we have a pullback. Yeah, correct. We have a pullback into the 1 minute JLines, but they're bullish this morning. So if we're gonna hold over here 1 minute JLines on ES and NQ, then we're gonna start looking back up again for a long play on all of these. AMD is breaking down. US 624. Want to see a daily breakout? Just want a little bit more on coin this morning. It pushed, but it didn't give me a great setup. A few points and it failed. Like the same play on AMD. And Q now failed, so we cannot trade anymore along the market. Besides over here, NVIDIA starts selling NVIDIA. Yes, and in Q fading. So you can see Tesla, coin, AMZN, AMD down. So bringing down the market. And this morning you could see a lot of liquidity traps. So coin, Oklo, pretty good AMZN. That means on a first 5-minute bar, they simply opened, popped, and failed. I'm gonna share over here in the room 3 examples so that you can see it. Okay, these are all like bull traps or liquidity traps. You can see the one on GCTK over there, right? One is pushing good is NKTR, good play, love it. In KTR 34. Sell half. Alert from the system 2730. SONM going all the way down. So behaving like a perfect gap and crab. Let's look at GCTK. Yeah, it's now simply fading. Careful to trade it long. I don't have any here, any setup for the long play. Coin. We had a good long play at the gate. Came to this heat map, trendline break, and you can see over here when we shift from the buyers, okay, this is the side of the buyers, back over here to the sellers, okay? This is what you want to see. This is when you want to wait to short, okay? You want to wait for this shift. AMD, we are just watching it. So it came from this liquidity area down here, 140 to the other one at 142. Good play. This is Tesla. Huge unwind. Remember, this morning we had a bad report. Let's see, Forest. Example, buddy. All those liquidity trap, bull trap. Perfect. Exactly. And we're just saying that this morning that, you know, it's very all common to see these in small caps, but mostly I could say lately even large caps and futures. Today was the day where we had it. AMD looking for a pushed upside. NQ trying to hold. So start watching AMD again, guys. If we confirm over here NQ this bar and AMD this bar, I'm gonna long it. So on my watch list right now is ES and Q. QS risk break even maximum. Okay, so QS is our long from the 608. AMD prepare to long. We have 2 minutes for the signal. This is using Bookmap like this with a very systematic process. As I said, in about a couple of weeks, we're going to release the VIP entrance for all dollars from the bots. These are not really, single indicators, but are really bots. And we made algos. It's going to be released, and they're going to also be used together with Bookmap. For who instead wants to trade, we have a daily trading room where we share what we do. So live trading, scanners, the process, futures, small caps, large caps, and options. Okay, so let's look over here. You can see right now NQ is pushing, right? So it's basing into the JLines. The system over here is gonna look to confirm if we have this long on AMD. So we have 20 seconds to go. Not yet confirmed. Still waiting, guys. Amazon is curling back up as well. So we're gonna put Amazon over here. Remember, Amazon, the long play, the real long play is going to come above 216 and 50. So Amazon waiting 216 and 50. Coin is curling back up. The only one is really fading is Tesla. AMD down. Again, no long yet. Tesla down. US down. And we're out in the money. Simply traders, I'm waiting the A plus setup. So a reclaim of the open level. In this case, let's take, for example, AMD or Amazon, right? We have over here AMD and Bookmap. And I'm looking for a signal of confluence between 1, 5, and 15. Bought gives me long. Over here we had a first long trigger, but didn't receive the alert, so waiting. For now it's fading over here. I want to see something like we had yesterday. Simply perfect all these dips, right? Lows over here on AMD. Fading on NQES. So 10.05, let's see if the market will reverse or not. This is the time that we could actually see some reversals. Tesla on support 329, 328. Good day, buddy. Yeah. Great day. Go have a handful of cookies. Looking at scanners, we have Uli that actually is fading, GCTK, It's fading over here in the fake out. One of the major gaps this morning is SRFM, SRFM. 91 million market cap. There's a gap up play. So I'll be watching if we have a setup there. So SRFM on watch. Nice daily breakout. We have EBO. So start watching EBO above 120, too long on Jtraderco. Previous runner. NKTR is this beautiful breakout. NKTR perfect long. As you can see here, reversal bar, or break. Now 31 and 20. This can still push the upside. SONM fader. IVF no volume for now. EYN again back up. I missed this, guys. Small cap from yesterday. EYN. Yeah. I'll go long over here. Let's go back to our list. GCTK, nothing over here. NVIDIA, new breakout. QS, nothing for now. NKTR, still bullish. SONM, gap and crap. Amazon, we're waiting for a long. NVIDIA, we're waiting for a long. AMD, we're waiting for a long. NVIDIA, I mean, we're waiting for a re-entry, okay? So I'm still staying with Amazon, AMD, NVIDIA, NKTR. NQ if we reclaim, QQQ per long plays. Tesla new lows 324. Wow. Wow. TIGR. Interesting. Guys, start watching over here on AMD, on AMZN. EYN don't short now. Okay, watching over here, AMD. I will alert when long. NKTR pushing and curling. Let's wait over here 1 minute. Not yet long, wait, the system. NQ is down. Yes is down. Still waiting, guys. Patience over here for me to take the trade. Focus is only the A+ setup. We are ready this morning. NVIDIA, NKTR, AMD, Coin, and NQ. this is Tesla today. You can see it's very simple to understand. Besides that, the trend, okay? If I wouldn't show you the trend over here, but only the dots, you can see the majority of these dots are red, okay? Besides over here, a little bit of bounce, and over here, the majority of these dots are red, and that is really your way to distinguish where supply and demand. Okay, look over here, we lost about 25 points, 345 until 320. We had a short signal with the bot at 340, but I didn't engage in Tesla. Our new highs in NVIDIA, NKTR, J-Slim over here at 321, sorry, 31. In Q and a major support, guys, 280. If you feel that, this could actually unwind pretty good. Coin below 352. NVIDIA new highs. US lows 578. NVIDIA is going to want that 154, 155, okay? So calls pushing strong. Long confirmed on AMD now. 140.78. Risk 140.40. The only thing, guys, that I don't like really much is the fact that the S and Q are not pushing. So let's see. We have a resistance over here, 141. We have to break 141. See if we can break it. Let's put also over here Bookmap up. There we go. Our lows. Yeah, we have that resistance 141 that we need to break definitely. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, buddy. NVIDIA getting to do it 154. Come on. On AMD. Watching also at Oclo over here, coin again, PLTR. Out on for a small loss. You can see right away the system is giving out on Diablo over here at 1.40.73, so lost 20 cents on AMD. Is good. We have 6 on 6 and one stop. That's fine. PLTR, we had a big push. All right. Unbelievable, AMD. We joined along. You can see right away making a higher low as well. As soon as I saw these buyers came over here, I pushed it. Okay. So I'm playing now with a 15-minute chart. Krev also something is pushing up. Doesn't have a lot of volume, a very, very small volume, but I was just watching. AMD breaking the pre-market high. NQ want to see over here they pushed upside. Also EF, YN is fading. NVIDIA is still bullish. NKTR pulled back to the 1-minute JLines. The Tesla over here lows. And Amazon waiting. So now the magnet of this AMD. So when we have these bounces over here, The Magda AMD is going to be 142. AMD working. Well done, Chad. Well done, buddy. AMD want to see 144. Okay. TP 144. Let's see if we can see that. I'm risking break even, which is 141. QS bounce over here, guys. So watching Krebs as well. It's starting to push with some volume. It's a nice daily breakout. Apple is pushing it back up again. 141 and 60, finally. So taking a little bit of profit on AMD. Sharing the charts in the room. Liquidity level 142. If you break, guys, we're gonna go at 144. Okay, 144, 145 ish. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we can get it. What in 42 resistance? Careful at EYEN because it can still push. Sorry. NVIDIA getting to that 153. There we go. 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 All right. That's what I want to see. That's our trade. That's how we make the paycheck. Beautiful breakout. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So we took the first loss. We got back over here, taking 3R, lost one. Okay. There we go. There we go. 3R coming in. Holding over here 30%. 144. We did this live. Very good. And also we have NVIDIA. It's going to go probably NVIDIA to that target 153. Major over here play. Amazing. NVIDIA. This was a killer, guys. From the open over here, you can see the bot right at the gate. And this morning gave the long first over here. I had the alert over here to take it at 150. 150. It's nuts. It's nuts. Let's see some question over here. Yeah, exactly, bro. So this over here is yeah, this is the will be this is the alert that we get. Okay, and chip 149.87 here, stop loss here, first target 151.75 here, and now the second target is going to be 153.75. Okay, so not bad. Come on, come on, come on, buddy. Anybody on with us on AMD? Think we can replace this with this? There we go. Come on, guys. Come on. Want to see some passion over here. Huh? Some passion, please. Yeah. I'm gonna. Yeah, guys, please don't send me all the DMs in to me. Try to use the room, please. Okay. This is the alert on AMD. Yeah, so that you can see it. Yeah, this is the alert. What a killer. What a killer. Nice 4 figures for the team over here. Love it. Nice 4 figures. Boom. Did you get that? Did you get that? Sick, bro. Sick. I have to check something. Guys, AMD is going nuts. I think we took the trade of the day. Shane, are you happy, brother? Are you wiggling your tail? What a beast. There we go, brother. It's still okay. It's still very good. Very good. Proud of you. Yeah. Yeah. This guys. This is my team today. Oh yeah. My team today. Think we're gonna have some pizza tonight. Amazing with Bookmap. Let's trail now. Let's trail. Let's trail. Let's trail. Good day. I think we're done, guys. So we have NVIDIA, AMZN. We took some juicy trades. AMD, Coin, NKTR, and our small cap short SONM. NQ. Okay. So for everybody, you want to join and trade live with us, JTrader.co. Reach out in email. You want to receive simply the bot alerts. First 500 traders, members, will receive the lifetime price, $429 per month. After that, is going to be like triple. We're investing 6 figures for this with AI, artificial intelligence, and more parameters are going to be into it. Going to be coming out in the next week, the access for traders over here. Right now, we're just giving the alerts in the trading room at Jtraderco. You want to receive free watch list? Reach out. We have a Telegram room, just a watch list, but still a very good community, and I love the people there. Okay, last thing, the 7 and 8 in Italy, we're gonna have like un corso italiano per i traders in italiano, okay, dal 7 all'8 di luglio a San Marino. And 21 to the 25th of July, we're gonna have live trading sessions in San Marino mindset, mindfulness, meditation, working out, food. Today I had a 4-figure trade. My students over here, one of them had 14K. I had a decent 4-figure. For me, it's not about trading anymore any size, but to explain the setups. So I'm very proud. I had 2 traders over here. One of the traders is on future, so for him, I'm kidding. And now we're gonna have a snack with my beer, going to the pool, and the day is done. So congratulations, everybody. When I come to Italy, reach out, and good luck for your trading. I love you all, and thank you, Bookmap, for these amazing sessions that you have. Please click a link below to join us, and good luck. Put a like. Thank you. Put a like. Hey guys, 4K is not bad, right? But you crazy.